Are you struggling to get views on your videos? It feels as if the YouTube algorithm hates you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that. Not only that, I'll be revealing to you exactly how to fix this issue using my system, so kindly stay to the end of this video and I promise you won't regret it. Yes, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to trigger the browse features, and most of your videos will start coming up in the home feed and suggested feed of YouTube. And the reason why I'm making this video is because most of you complained in my last video that you are not getting any views. I had to even go extra miles by asking the YouTube support to run a troubleshooter on your channels, and they told me that there is nothing wrong with your channel. So that means that the reason why you're not getting views is because you are not implementing the right strategy into your YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you exactly why you are not getting views on your videos. The first reason why you're not getting views on your videos is because you are not targeting a specific audience. When you're not targeting a specific audience, it means you're everywhere. Your channel is very broad. Today you're doing vlog, tomorrow you're doing cooking, the next day you're doing gaming, so you're almost everywhere. So the algorithm is going to get confused. That's why I do tell people to narrow down, especially when you're starting out newly on YouTube. You need to narrow down your content. You need to focus on just a particular niche. You need to focus on just a particular topic. Then when you've gotten enough audience, you can start going broad, because when you don't narrow down on your content, you're targeting so many broad keywords, and therefore you're going to be competing against so many channels which you don't even have the ability, or you don't have the capacity to compete against. Today I'm going to show you what you need to do in order for you to get more views on your videos, or in order for you to get more watch hours, more subscribers, more money. The second reason why you get no views is because your videos are not getting engagement. When you upload a video to YouTube, you need to first engage with that video. You need to watch the video, you need to like the video, you need to comment on that video, so YouTube can know, YouTube can be triggered to know that yes, okay, this video has a little engagement, let's push it to more people and see more people are going to react well to that video. So if you're not watching your videos, if you're not liking your video, if you're not commenting on your videos, you're actually killing your channel, because when you upload your video, you're getting 0 views and so many other people are uploading into the YouTube platform. So you need to prove to YouTube that, oh, your video is worth watching. And for YouTube to give your video impression, you need to have an initial startup. That is, if you don't have good friends around you to watch your videos, I suggest you watch your own videos, like your video, and also comment on your videos. And from there, after 24 hours, YouTube is going to push your video to a small audience. And when those audience react well to the video, they are going to push it to a broader audience. So that's how to actually make YouTube recommend your videos in the browse and suggested feed. The next reason why you're not getting any views on your videos is because your videos are very poor in quality. I know this might sound cringe to say, but the reason why YouTube isn't promoting your videos is because you don't have enough value in your video for them to have a reason to push your video. Do you know that the YouTube algorithm reads everything in your video? They know when a video is good and they know when a video is bad. So you need to push your video by putting enough value into your videos. When you put value into your videos, either entertainment or add value into the video, YouTube is going to notice this. No matter how poor your camera is, they are going to push that video. They are going to give it impression. I've seen so many low quality videos on my browse page. When I'm scrolling through YouTube, I just stumble on a video with low quality, but because that video has so much value, a lot of people are going to watch that video. It doesn't matter about your camera. Some people talk about camera, I don't have good camera, that's why YouTube isn't recommending my videos. It isn't about camera. You need to have good value in your videos. So I'm not saying you should upload your video in the highest quality. No, don't upload your video in the highest quality. It doesn't matter. What you need to do is give a lot of value in your videos, or you entertain so much that people can't click off the video. They want to watch more of your videos. That is exactly what triggers the algorithm. When people are staying on your page, or when people are staying on your channel for a longer period of time, YouTube is going to recommend most of your videos, because they want more people on the platform. They want more people to watch more videos on the YouTube platform. So they are going to promote you. When they see people are watching your videos more or watching your videos longer, they are going to push more of your videos. They are going to say, oh wow, this channel is keeping more people on the platform, okay, let's push more of his videos and see what happens. Now, the right way to make YouTube recommend your videos is by adding similar tags on your videos. I'm going to dive into my system right now just to show you exactly how to do that. By the way, if you're getting so much value from this video, please don't forget to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel, because I'll be bringing to you more valuable videos in the future. If you have watched this far, congratulations, because I'm about to share with you what 90% of YouTubers don't actually know that works on getting views from YouTube browse features. What I'm about to show you now is currently working for me. I've tried this on almost all my faceless channels and they are currently working. I don't know why most YouTubers are gatekeeping it from you, but to also do this on your channel, you just need to add 3 to 4 hashtags that are related to that particular video, and make sure that you also add your channel name as one of the hashtags in the video. After 2 months, YouTube will start showing those videos in browse features. Even if those people are not subscribed to the channel, they are going to keep on showing those videos to those particular set of audience, because your channel name is now attached to that particular keyword. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but that is how it works. If you try this and it works for you, also let me know in the comment section. Also, I want to put this out there, just in case you still feel that your videos are being shadow banned. I could still run a troubleshooter check on your videos, because I have a faceless channel that is monetized. I have up to 4 faceless channels that are monetized currently. Just comment troubleshooter in the comment section. I'm going to contact YouTube support and send them your channel link for them to run a troubleshooter on your channel to know if you are actually shadow banned or not. And when I get their information or when I get their feedback, I'm going to reply to you telling you whether your channel is actually shadow banned or you just need to make high quality videos. That being said, if you have watched this far, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and if you still want to know how to make YouTube recommend your videos, kindly watch the video.